Hello everyone, Amanda here. I'm just coming to share a bit of happy mail and have a little bit of a catch up with you because I've not been crafting for a few weeks. I've had some family things that I've had to deal with. The father of my older two children passed away, so I've really kind of like been spending a lot of time at home and talking to my older girls and trying to spend time with them. So but Antonio from Antonio's Makes did send me some happy mail, and I said I would share it. He did send it probably last week and maybe the week before, but I just haven't been in the frame of mind to be filming. So here's what he sent, and if you can hear noise in the background, I'm currently printing off something shabby from Artemis, which is going to be my design team project for June, so keep your eyes open. So he sent me this happy mail in this beautiful tissue which has got birds and it's got like gold foiling on it, so I'm gonna see if I can decoupage this onto something. It's really very pretty. He made me this lovely card which says hello, so that's really lovely. A little bit of a message in there for me, so that's really pretty. And then he always sends loads of lovely little gifts, does Antonio. He's very, very thoughtful with his happy mail, and one of the main things that I love about happy mail from Antonio is it's completely handmade. He makes everything. It's awesome. So he's put me in a little hand cream. I've had happy mail from him before and he always puts you a little treat in like that, and I think it's lovely, and I do put them at the side of my desk and I do use them, so thank you for that, Antonio. We'll be using that. And then we've got this little pillow box that he's made, and what I'll probably do is flatten it out and reuse it, make a tag out of it or something. I don't know, I'm not sure, but inside here are two little charms that he's made. You can see like little angels, so they're cute, so they'll go in my little box, my little charm box, and they will get used. And then the journal that he's made is a junk journal, and it's very, very lovely. So we've got this lovely tassel that he's made from scratch, completely all handmade. Okay, so we've got some lovely fabric and some lace, and we've got some beads there, all hand done. Okay, and then if I just move this out of the way a minute, just move this out of the way a minute. So the cover is like laminated, okay, and it's quite loosely bound. It's like bound it with like some lovely twine, and I think it was attached there with hot glue, but it did come apart in transit. But what I'm going to do is I might just put an eyelet in there and feed that through and tie it in a knot to keep it a bit more firmer. And then he's taken the theme of a junk journal, so he's used all sorts of bits and bobs, no digital kits specifically, just bits and what I call bits and bobs, and it's lovely. And so we've just got some little bits there, and he's got some music paper, and he's used writing paper. We've got a little Tim Holtz doll there, and his handmade paper clip, and it looks like it's a digital image. So we've got quite a mixture of like papers and digital images, and and these are little bits of artwork that he's made and then added onto the pages. Look at that, it's lovely, isn't it? So it's quite different to how I make my journals, but it's really lovely. We've got a little pocket here, and there's some little bits and bobs in there. We've got a little cameo, and then we've got these little silhouette heads, so they're lovely. And then we've got some lace there. As I say, it's quite loosely bound, so you can move things about and adjust them how you want. I think it's lovely. This looks like some quite old music paper, and then this looks like an altered bag. It's coloured it all and glittered it and attached it to some scrapbooking paper. We've got little handmade tabs here, look, Another little pocket, and just a nice collection of different textures and colours and just bits and bobs that he's put together. And then in between, bits of his artwork that looks a bit like alcohol ink from the looks of it, and that's an embossed, and then it looks like it's been it looks metallic. I'm not quite sure what he's done there. And that's another one, really lovely. And there's another piece of his artwork as well there. And that's the back end of the lace and the back of the journal. So it's very much, you know, your traditional style junk journal. It's beautiful, really, really lovely. And so it always puts you in loads of lovely handmade stuff. So we've got some beautiful handmade tags here. Okay, we've got some gold sort of paint around the edge, and that one there's got an A on. And then this one is a die cut collection that is made there. Recognise this, I used to have this one on vellum. That's the Peaceful Poppies from Stampin' Up. And we've got another lovely tag there that is made with some, and he always uses lovely bright colours of ribbon. It's really pretty. And then this one is a little bit like an artist trading coin, and we've got this lovely 3D flourish here, and it's got a magnet on the back, so it can be used. And then he's gifted me some little gable boxes, and he sent a thank you card there that I can reuse. And I think I saw him show that on a video. I think that's a digital image there. I can't remember where he's got that from, but. And then we've got this lovely card that he's made and he's sewn all around. That's really nice. That'll end up in one of my journals, most definitely. Absolutely. So I just wanted to say thank you and just say hello and have a bit of a catch up. I will be back on YouTube over the next week or so. I have 2 journals on the go at the moment. I'm doing the Something Shabby from Artimaze, which is the new kit. I've been as part of her design team, I've been given you know, all of that kit to play with, so I'm going to see what I come up with. I'm going to try and come up with a few different ideas, and then I'm doing another one as well that I'm trying to make into an actual mini album rather than a junk journal, but I don't know, me and cutting straight don't seem to work out very well, so I don't know how that'll turn out. So just thought I'd have a little bit of a catch up and say hello and share that lovely happy mail from Antonio. So I will be back in the next few days, and I will see you all again very soon. And thank you to Antonio. I will leave a link in the description box below to his channel. He's a lovely, 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 lovely person and a wonderful, wonderful crafter. So go and give him a subscribe and a thumbs up. He's always really kind to me. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.